Time is gold.
Now, you can control your time management through an integrated calendar in the Scheduley app. A few steps will help you to arrange your appointments in a professional way, which will avoid any conflict with others. Either for your own time, you can schedule for yourself that will book your slot time and stick to your plan. The benefit will show for others and your contacts when your times are busy or available to book an appointment with you. Also, you can request an appointment with one person from your known contact list. If they do not appear in the search contact list, be sure their mobile number is saved and include an international code country, such as PRA 965 mobile number, in your device contact. After his acceptance of your request, action will take place to book both time slots in both calendars for each of you. The daily meeting with a group of people needs a lot of arrangement specialty with their busy times. To create a group, after setting a photo and name, you can select members of the group by inviting them from the contact list. In Scheduley app, you can request an appointment with the group that you have created in the previous. Chatting feature is important and useful in contacting and business. Also, you can chat with any company that uses Scheduley app. Our world is one village to grow your relationship network internationally with Scheduley app. You can find all business companies and services providers in the categories feature. Select country, then select state or governorate. Then select city name. The benefit of filtering is to focus on specific area that you search around, which will save your time. By filtering the location upon your needs, booking appointments with business companies and services providers are needed to complete the full picture of your life of time management affected on your plan and schedule. Completing work and paperwork on time needs to be remembered during a lot of busyness of daily life. Scheduley app provides you a reminder feature that will help you to set up reminders for any document or others that have an expiry date. That will alert you before the expiration date and at a time that you specify in advance in the settings. Discover more and more features in Scheduley app. Follow us on our social media accounts of Scheduley app for more information about how to use the app and get benefits of the app. Buy download Scheduley app from the Apple Store or Google Play.